Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with another video. So, um, I'm a little late. The market has already been open for um, about 15 minutes or so, maybe longer than that. Um, Opened up a new, fresh performance evaluation account, but this time around, I'm going to load it up with 10 contracts. So the account will let me trade 10 contracts. So, as you can see, I have the automation on and see what it does. Profit target is to make 3,000 and then trade for a minimum of 10 days. We can take as long as we need to, but we have to trade for a minimum of 10. We'll see where we get today. Maybe we'll get it done in one. So we'll see. I did that yesterday with a fresh account and I made 4,500. So that account is done and will get funded $50,000 at day 10. So I'm excited for that, but we'll see what happens today. Okay, so we're in the trade right now. Um, Waiting to see if we hit that first profit target. So far, thinking about it, it might change on us, but we'll see. Okay, we're about to get there. So we'll see what it does. It's looking good so far. Okay, we hit the first target and waiting for the runner, which is that blue line that you see there. We've hit it. And I'm gonna go ahead and hit flat. Sometimes it gets hung up. It's not the automation, but it does. We do use Rhythmic Trader, which is our data, um, and that places the trade into the system. So sometimes it gets hung up a little bit. So I went ahead and hit flat. We still made a quick 980, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna give it one more run and see if we can find another trade to round out our morning. So we'll see. I could stop here right now and actually be pretty happy about it. But since this is a fresh account, I'm gonna go for it today, just for you guys. I'm taking the risk, which is not that much. It cost me about $90 to create this account. But the upside is huge, right? I can get access to $50,000 of trading capital that I can trade and make real money on. So we're seeing a push to the top here. We'll see if there's an opportunity for us to come in. So this video might be a little bit long, only because I just don't know. Nobody knows what the market's gonna do. So I'll be kind of talking and trying to fill up space. So I apologize if things are a little bit slow. At market open, I think things would have been pretty exciting, but now that we're this far into it, things tend to be a little bit more settled in. Not a huge volatility, but there's still movement enough for us so we can make some money. So we'll just kind of keep an eye on this. As you can see, the automation is on, and we did make that little profit down at the bottom. So we'll see where we go from here. I think it's trying to make a push to the upside here. So maybe there'll be an opportunity for us to make a trade on the upside. So we'll see. So I'm just gonna, like I said, the automation's on, and we're gonna see what it does. Okay, it's making a push to the bottom. So it may come up, and see if we enter this trade. We'll just wait for it. Still waiting. Yeah, I think it's trying to push towards the bottom. So we'll see. Okay, this is it. Okay, we're in it. As I mentioned before, I always keep my hand on the flat just in case, because if it reverses on me, it could really be kill our account, because we can make a lot of money, but because I have 10 contracts, it can go the other direction real fast. So we hit the first profit target, and we're waiting for the runner. Got my hand on the flat here. I'll be ready for it. So okay, that's it. So I'm about to hit flat on this thing because I don't want to give up my profit. um, let's see. Yeah, I think we're about done with this trade. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my profit. I'm gonna turn off the automation just because after a big move like this, it tends to go the other direction. Um, I'm just not sure that it's worth the risk. I mean, like right here, there's a chance we could be entering another trade, but I just didn't. I just didn't want to take a chance. So I think I'm gonna keep this video pretty short. $2,220 is um, pretty good. Um, of course, it's awesome. Actually, I'm pretty excited about that. You know, when you're looking at this trade, we might have been in this trade. I don't know if the automation would have kicked on, but if it did, I just don't like the way it looks. It's kind of hesitating. It doesn't have that momentum. I'm just not feeling it. So, I'm glad I didn't get into that. So, that's it, guys. 2220. Um, very happy. And then I just got to make that $800 in the next 9 days. So easy to do with the automation. So I'll be working towards my second evaluation account, um, so I can have access to 50,000 on the first account and then 50 on the second. So with that, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and see you on the next video. Take care.